morning guys, welcome to the Ebn C channel. Yesterday we painted the car. Here it is. So shiny. Only left one clear coat. After we assemble everything, we're going to put clear coat, the final one. After that we're going to put the ceramic coating. So here it is. Today we're going to assemble. Only one thing's no paint, the grill holder, because of there's no space down here. We don't do it, so we're going to do it today. Here's the whole thing. Here's the mirrors. Finalized then. The front bumper have cracked, it's damaged, severely. So I hope you enjoyed the video today, and like and subscribe. Okay guys, I'm going to ready? Inside is clean, outside is not clean. Okay, so I'll take the tinted. It's not tinted, but it's like this. So I'm going to change. I'm going to put maybe a different one. This one's so it is like square. I don't like the square one. Okay, now I put that one. So I have to put some screws inside it. Yeah. So for today's done, I'm tired, so I put the wiper, the motor, and this, that, and that I put the wire, the harness for the central lock, for the side mirror, on that side too. What I did, I'll put the roof over there, down there, up there. What else we put? We saw the glass in both sides. We're going to clean it. Hopefully we're going to put the brake light tomorrow over there. It's not painted, I want it green. And then the side mirror, we just did that right here. The same color, no, it's not black. I'm going to assemble down here. What I did today, I did a different car, so I didn't do anything on this car. I did a Fortuner, Toyota Fortuner 2021. I did assemble a reverse camera. Because of that, I didn't do much on this one. Maybe I will post that one, but I didn't. The customer was coming, and then I just hurry. I didn't record the last one. Just I did a disassemble only. No, I didn't put it back. I don't have that video, but maybe I will put it. So I will come back and finish it tomorrow, this one. So I'll see you tomorrow then. Okay guys, so almost done. The windows in, the front one, both sides, and I didn't put the windows, someone else did that. And then over here the actuator for the fuel tanks in, the doors in too. Here we just paint that one, I show you that one, and now I'm going to put this one. So after this, after I will put the cover in. After the cover, might be I put the seats on the back, and everything will be perfect. I'll show you the seats today or tomorrow. So I'm going to assemble the fuel tank. I'll just put that one in. So yeah, enjoy the video. What's up guys, good morning. Yesterday I did some of works. Today we're going to assemble the seats. Here the seats. It's written by Ebn C, my YouTube channel name. There it is, red. It's red, nice. So now I'm going to put this one in, and then I'll put the back one later today. Here it is. Now I'm going to clean over here. There's this big mess over here and that side too. So to cover this one, so over there. There's some issue on that one. There's no clips down there. They put some screws inside it. That's the main reason. Can put it in this one to have that. Going to glue it We need to do that. I need to put the valve cover too to start the car. We got new battery yesterday. Here it is. And we saw we paint the grill holder. I'm going to put it maybe today, maybe, or tomorrow. See, so we need to take this car tomorrow out because other cars need to be painted inside here. So today we're going to put the seats almost done. Next week for sure we're going to finish this car. So I missed some miscellaneous stuff we left. I told you there is one more clear coat to paint. We're going to sand it and paint it. And you put yesterday this. It's broken. We did order. For now we're going to put this one, both sides. One of the inside, the covers melted. So we don't have any choice for now. We're going to play with that. And then I changed the speakers, the back one. I did that yesterday. And I will put the stereo today inside. I will heat gun the clips. Yeah, now I'm going to do the seats in. So enjoy the video. Okay guys, we put the seats, the front seats. We are struggling so much. So we put the back seats. So now I'm going to put, I put the panel, the both sides. So now I'm going to put the back seats. Here they are. This same thing. As there's no my name, my YouTube name. Here it is. It's dirty. I'm going to clean it. So I like the seats. I hope you like it too. So now I'm going to assemble it. I clean it over there. Almost done. So I'm going to put, after this I'm going to put the valve cover. And then the stereo I'm going to organize over there. So enjoy the video. Okay guys, I put both of them. It is not that much hard. So I'm going to put the last piece of the seats. I'm so excited. I hope you are excited too. This journey is good. Here it is. I'm going to put it. I hope you enjoyed the video. So excited to drive this car. So let's put it on. This great view. Okay. I just cleaned this, so now I'm going to fold it in. Oh, the lights off. Oops. Lights over here. So I'll be coming back. Okay guys, so the lights came back. So I put the seats here the covers I'm going to put on this side only. That side's not finished yet. The stereo already put it back, so already assembled, finished, and the stereo, the back seat is in. Last time the lights not off, now it's here. So in Ethiopia lights go off every single time. So put that one in. I'm going to put this one back, and then the valve covers in. Tomorrow is going to go out from this boot. Here it is. So it is American flag. They said yes, true. I didn't think about that before. Now it is. Tomorrow we're going to put the AC. Going to fill it maybe. Yeah. The wires is bad. The wipers, going to put it today or tomorrow, I believe. So just like that. Yeah. Some more there. So yeah. So enjoy the video. Good morning, guys. Yesterday we put the seats. Today we're going to take the car out of the boot, and then we're going to put it on the lift and then adjust some stuff under the car. The exhaust, we're going to adjust it. We're going to paint some stuff down there. So yeah, I think I saw yesterday we were assembling this one. And then we're going to fix the wires down here, so messed up. And then I'm going to put it right now, the grill. If I don't damage it, I'm going to put the tape down here. It's missing ground over here for the hood. I'm going to put it down that one. For the most part, the car was almost done. Only the ugliest thing this car have, the tail lights. It's broken, so that's the main issue. This one's not that much bad, but it's bad. But for the inside, it's melted. But over here, it's bad. You can't hold it. I don't know how I'm going to put that one. For that one, it's better. And the outside is worse. It's broken everywhere. The interior, and then for the lock and unlock, the central lock, we didn't put it, so now we're going to take apart everything. The windows coming out, everything, maybe not the window, but it's under the here. It's hard to put it, can't see. The seat's so nice, it's 10. And then we're going to paint the caliper red. By this week for sure we're going to drive it with the Toyota Corolla e36. You're going to drive with that one. The head gasket, that one's finished. I hope that one you saw that one video. So this one going to come later after that car, definitely. So I hope you enjoy it. So right now I'm going to put the grill without scratching. I hope I will do my best not scratching it.